Today we are starting the next session, okay, with find examples. Okay, I want to get the file, um, whether the file is present in the directory, and also I want to list the path of that file. Then find command is useful. Okay, now I want to list all the files in the directory using ls hyphen capital R. You see, okay, in this I want to search some file 4.txt, where it is. Okay, find dot slash. I am searching from this directory. Dot slash means current directory. Current directory means present working directory. Okay, find dot slash hyphen name. Okay, and then 4.txt. It will list the, yeah, if it will list the, if file is present, it will show the path wherever the file 4.txt is present. You can give the path also. Find, instead of dot slash, you can put the path hyphen name 4.txt. You can give the full path, you will get the output like this. If you give dot slash, it will start with the dot slash. I think you have understood this. Okay. Mm. Okay, I want to list the file with starting with 4. Okay, I want to list all the files starting with 4. Okay, 4 star means whatever the data, whatever the file name that starts with 4, and then whatever the file name apart from 4, I don't know. I want to list all those files. I want to list all text files. Okay, it will not work, I think. I can list like this. No, it will not work. Okay, let's see this thing later. Okay, this the in the find it is not working here. Let's try in some other place. Dot slash hyphen name. Star preceding will not work. I think at the end it should work. Okay, this is star means wildcard. Wildcard section we'll see the remaining. Maybe this is not working now. Okay, ideally it should work something like this. It should work something like this. Okay, I can, okay. Star.tf. It should list all the tf files. I don't know why it is not working here. Yeah, here we need to do extra exact. Maybe some Linux distributions we can, these commands will work. Maybe this in the whatever the version I am doing, this is not this may not working. 1.txt. Yeah, it is displaying if we give the actual name. Okay. Okay, if you want to list like this, then ls-r find grep star.txt. You can try like this. All text files will get displayed here. You see, all text star.txt. I think this command will suits for this all these things. And then star txt star. You can list also. Okay. Okay. Sorry, ma. Okay. Let's go to wildcards now. This is the important topic. Okay. This okay. The wildcard section. Star. These are four wildcards in the Unix scripting. Unix commands. Okay. Unix learning. Okay. This star means denotes all the characters. See, by default ls. If I press ls, it will display. By default ls star. Ls star also it will display all files. Okay. Star means all. I want to display star.txt. Only text files I want to display. I want to display file name contains history. I want to display any file name that contains history. Okay. Okay. I want to display any file name contains uh, okay Unix history Unix anything Unix command.txt. I want to display any contains ignore case. Oh, it is not coming out. ls-a is not ignore case here. It is something different. Okay. Okay. We'll see the ignore case later. Okay. Okay. This okay. The this cap star is done. Star means anything. Okay. Something like I want to display mm, Unix star.txt. You see, Unix is there. The star means between whatever the Unix commands.txt. That's Unix underscore. Okay. In this case, it should print both the files. You see, whatever the star, the Unix dot txt, whatever the words that our mind. I want to display those. Start with Unix and then ends with the .txt like this. Okay. Mm. Okay. Now next one is cap. This one. This one always indicates the first character. First character. Okay. In this ls hyphen l something like this. In this file, I want to display only directories. I want to display only directories. grep cap. Directories will start with Dina in this output. Okay, like this. I want to display only files like this. Okay, cap means it denotes starting character. Okay, okay. I want to list a file starting with one. it will not work. Okay, sorry. Grep cap 1. I don't know. The file is not there. Okay, let's try ls -r. This current directory, that files starting with 1 is not there. You see, any file starting with 1 is not there now. Okay, I want to file list files starting with u. ls grep start with u. You see, okay, I want to list in the subdirectories recursively all the folders. Check all the folders and then display. Okay, this is what cap. This is question mark denotes the end of the last character. Okay, I want to list any file and with t. ls grep t dollar, any file that is end with t, all these files. Okay, any files that end with txt. I want to display recursively all search all directories, subdirectories. Okay, you see, it will list all the path. Okay, wherever the txt and the file name end with txt. Okay, and then question mark checks only single character, only single character. How it checks, let's see. Let me create two files, for example. Just I am taking these two examples. Okay, ls grep a question mark c dot txt something. It will display abc. You see, in this situation, tct tct file came, txt file came. Okay, the question mark denotes single character. It checks only single character, wherever whatever the character it is. I think this example is not working here. Okay, this question mark, it is checks like a string. Okay, let's try like this. No, it is checking like a string. Grep, now whatever it is there, it is like a searching like a string. Okay, now you see This question mark act as a some whatever the character it is, and that is available. E it is printing, B it is printing, ABC, ABC printing. Correct? This is all about question mark. It checks only single character. I think this is done. This is done. Okay, mkdir create directory. We created so many directories. Just to create directory. Okay, I want to create with the full path. Mkdir -p. You need to use -p. Slash 1 2 3 4 5. This directory I am creating. Okay, if you want to create full path, you need to use -p option. Next one, you can list the, see I created ABC 1 2 3 4 5. This is known as absolute path, and then this is small path. This is the small path, na? This is the relative path. Okay, and no, make a note on this: absolute path, relative path. This is a absolute path. Always start with slash. Relative path need not be a slash. Okay. Okay. System information. Uname -a. System information. It will display. Okay. Whereas this one, let me. Okay. This is a Linux OS, and then this is training. This is a user. Okay. User or system name or something. Okay. And then this is the kernel. 4.10.19. This is generic. This is the kernel. This is which version of Ubuntu. uh, Ubuntu something. Okay, kernel related. This is the date of April 6th. At what time we downloaded or running or something else. Okay, I686. 686 means 32 bit. It will show whether this is the 32 bit or 62 bit. This is X I686 means 32 bit. GNU Linux. Here it is showing. This is the PC name. This is something some this kernel related thing. This is something kernel with which version i686 means 32 bit. This is also showing this is also showing 09, and then this is something time. I don't you can check the in googling why what is the display here. Here also it is showing kernel name, host name, kernel release number, processor type. Processor type means 32 bit or 64 bit. Kernel release number means this is the release number. Okay, and then this is a kernel release number. This is host name. This is the host name. This is kernel name something. Okay, okay. Who am I? Displays the name of the user who run the command. Yeah, just whoever logged in this PC. I want to know the user. Who am I? It is here training user is here user is Jessica. Okay. Okay, I want to log in as a root user. This is sudo su hyphen root. Sudo su hyphen or root. We need to give root password, that training password. Okay. See, always you a normal user starting with dollar. You see, training. Let's see this one. Okay. Let's understanding this one user. Uh, you see this hash, the terminal that is start with this prompt before prompt. It is showing hash now. Let's explain this one. Yeah, here you see this one. Let me highlight this. This one. This denotes normal user, whereas this denotes root user. Okay, how can we know this is root user? You see this one, root at the rate of training. Okay, whereas this is a user. Okay, who am I also will get this one. Here you can use who am I'll get root. No, let's who am I, root. Okay, this is root user. This something, it will be dollar means normal user. Okay, this is, make sure you need to understand this while looking into the terminal which user we are in, then we can easily guess.